Hello, cake lovers. Welcome back to Cakes Factory. I'm your host, Sumbal Shazadi. Today, we are sharing 20 beautiful Christmas tree cakes that will make your holiday celebrations extra merry and bright. Let's begin. The first one is classic green buttercream tree cake. A tall cake piped entirely with green buttercream risottos in tree shape, topped with a yellow star. Simple, classic, and joyful. The next is mini Christmas tree forest cake. Multiple simple buttercream trees on a snowy white frosted base. Look like a winter wonderland. The next is drip cake with tree topper. Red velvet cake with green chocolate drip and fondant tree on top. Bright, bold, and festive. The next is 3D Christmas tree shape cake. A sculpted cake shaped exactly like a Christmas tree, decorated with edible ornaments and the centerpiece of any party. The next is white and gold tree cake. A white cake with gold fondant trees and edible gold leaf, elegant and modern. The next is candy can tree cake. Red and white striped buttercream layers with mini candy cane tree topper. Sweet and fun for kids. The next is chocolate forest tree cake. Chocolate forested cake with piped cocoa tree and powdered sugar snow. Perfect for winter evenings. The next is tree cupcake tower. Cupcakes tree shaped with green swirl and sugar stars. Great for sharing. The next is minimal tree silhouette cake. White fondant cake with simple green outline, modern and stylish. The next is ornament tree cake. A cake covered in edible ornaments forming a tree shape, festive and unique. The next is snowy pipe tree cake. Tree green trees with snow dusted top and a soft white frosting base. Winter feels in every bite. The next is tree inside cake. When you cut the cake, a green Christmas tree shape appears inside. A fun surprise cake. The next is buttercream rosette cake. Buttercream rosette into more green shades shaped like a tree. Pretty and delicious. The next is tall cone tree cake. A cone shaped cake with pipe leaves and fondant gift boxes around. Stylish and creative. The next is rainbow tree cake. Each tile in different color of rainbow decorated with tree pattern for a cheerful celebration. Red velvet tree cake. Classic red velvet with green cream cheese frosting in tree shape, a holiday favorite. The next is gold square tree cake. Green buttercream tree covered in edible gold square for a touch of glam. The next is gingerbread tree cake, layered with gingerbread flavor, topped with cookies, tree, and snowflakes. Smell like Christmas. The next is basil tea tree cake. Soft pink and mint green tone with gold accent for a dreamy look. The next is tree cake with sparkle topper. Green cake with a little sparkle as a star on the top for a magical moment. Light up the celebration. This is all designs of Christmas tree ideas. Which Christmas tree was your favorite? Let us know in the comment below. And if you like this video, press the like button and don't forget to share this video to your loved one or the Christmas lover who want to bake a cake on Christmas and want to try a new idea on the coming Christmas. So don't forget to share this video to that person or your favorite one, and subscribe to Cakes Factory for more sweet everyday ideas. Turn on the bell icon so you never miss any favorite update.